Millions of patients benefit from medical wearable technology, such as CGM sensors and insulin pumps. These devices provide greater freedom, security, and an improved quality of life for patients. However, common challenges with wearable sensor technology include allergic skin reactions, discomfort, and unintended early peel-off. Chemical bonding technologies used in manufacturing, particularly adhesive, often contain allergens such as IBOA, which can trigger these reactions. Ultrasonic welding technology offers a solution by bonding thermoplastics at a molecular level without additional joining agents, eliminating these issues. It creates hermetic seals and securely bonds components within fractions of a second. By embedding sensor housing into skin patches using ultrasonic welding, manufacturers can achieve a firm yet flexible bond with minimal thermal impact on the adhesive. As a result, wear comfort improves and the risk of unwanted detachment decreases. Ultrasonic welding is an excellent choice for manufacturing medical wearables, offering advantage both large-scale production and patient well-being.